Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be going over recent Ethereum news, and then we will be performing an in-depth analysis of the ETHUSD charts across different timeframes. First off, let's look at what's been happening in the world of Ethereum. Recent headlines highlight a record-breaking $18 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiring today, potentially leading to significant price movements. In addition, Ether ETFs have experienced substantial inflows, exceeding $2.5 billion, reflecting positive market sentiment despite a recent 10% price drop and resistance around $3,500. Now, let's turn our attention to the ETHUSD daily chart to get a broader picture of the price action. We can observe a recent surge in price that could be linked to the news about the expiring options and ETF inflows. This upward trend is evident across multiple candles. However, this rise might be short-lived and temporary. Let's zoom in on the past week on the daily chart. Notice the high volume of transactions. This high volume suggests significant market activity and could have been driven by the $18 billion options expiring earlier this week. The candles show price volatility, but the overall price movement is positive. This points to a likely bullish trend in the short term. Next, let's examine the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of price fluctuations. Here, we can identify several instances of support and resistance levels which correspond with the volatility and trends seen in the daily chart. This confirms the general trend shown on the daily chart. For a better sense of intraday price action, let's narrow down the 1-hour chart to view the previous 24 hours. This shows that price action on the 1-hour chart follows the same trend as the daily chart. This confirms that the price movement is both strong and consistent, and thus points towards a bullish long-term trend. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get an even closer view of recent price movements. This high-frequency chart provides a more detailed picture of the short-term fluctuations, but the overall trend is still positive. It is important to note, however, that the price volatility may shift downwards in the coming days. In summary, the news surrounding the Ethereum market, particularly the massive options expiration and ETF inflows, appear to have influenced the recent price surge. Analyzing the charts across different timeframes confirms a bullish short-term trend, with key support and resistance levels to watch. However, it is crucial to remain cautious as the market could reverse course if the bullish sentiment fades. Key price levels to watch include the recent high around $4,000 and potential support levels around $3,500 and $3,000. The likelihood of ETHUSD reaching $4,000 again in the near term is moderate, contingent on sustained bullish market sentiment and continued ETF inflows. On the other hand, a bearish reversal could occur if the market sentiment shifts. Factors to watch out for include any major regulatory announcements, competitor developments, or broader shifts in the cryptocurrency market. Keep an eye on the trading volume and price action. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.